and I'm happy to be here.
To understand issues. How do we invest in children?
Across the border takes me to the United States.
And therefore, one of the responsibilities we were given to
as the status of missing children and no record of children services.
Neto gũcemanĩtie twĩna organization ta Missing Child Kenya, Child Fund na Daystar ona Mtoto News na Ancan hamwe na ngenge nigetha tuhote kwarĩrĩria ũhoro wa ciana iria ciũraga na nigetha tuhote kuona nĩ atĩa ithuĩ ta technical working group ona twita community uria ona kana arutwo uria tungika nigetha tuteithie ciana citigacoke kũra. Umuthi ningi ni turageria ku create awareness uhoro-ini wa muthenya wa May 25th, muthenya uria ugakorwo ni wa ciana iria ciũrĩte. Muthenya ucio tuwitaga International Missing Children's Day na muthenya uyu tugeragia ku create awareness uhoro wa ciana iria ciũrĩte.
The data and statistics that we have as Missing Child Kenya pertains most importantly to only the cases that we have collected, and this is why the need for today's forum, because there is a lot of underreporting, no reporting and late reporting.
Who's gone missing in Kenya and has guardian or parents, it must be reported and recorded somewhere. And if it is reported and recorded somewhere, if it is reported at the local authorities, that the assistant chiefs, the DOs, and wherever, they finally end at the police.